Hello everyone. Today's we are going to talk about Google Business Profile, uh, everything about Google Business Profile, how to manage it. Uh, Google Business Profile is your first interaction with your local customers or local clients. Means whenever someone going to uh, search on your surrounding or local areas uh, in local town for specific business like you are trying to target uh, that customers, so Google will show up with business profiles if that is about local business. Means when someone will be searching for plumbers or for doctors or for lawyers, Google will definitely come up with the local existing business uh, near to you. So this Google Business Profile is very important uh, aspect of local SEO. So here is the quick snapshot of your Google Business Profile. 293 customers got interacted with Google Business Profile. It has a complete overview by means complete rating looks good from Google. Here you can edit the profile, its description or the business name or the opening hours, location, service area, everything. Here you can change. Read the reviews you have got from the customers or clients you have already worked with, messages you have got from your customers or whoever prospects whoever visited your business profile. So this is going to very helpful. uh, Here are photos you have uploaded. Performance tab, the very important and very handy tool in this Google Business Profile. So here are 293's prospects or potential clients who have been interacted with, means overall traffic of Google Business Profile here. The calls you have got from Google Business Profile, messages, bookings, means someone specifically set a booking or set booking for to ask or put as query regarding someone specific question. Directions, means someone set direction to your business website. Clicks means overall traffic that your big Google Business Profile brings to your website. So this is all. Performance tab, advertise tab, you can run an ad to your local customers, local audience, local uh, prospects using this uh, Google My Business Profile advertising. This is also very handy. So here you can edit your products, means what products you are offering to your customers, your clients. Here you can edit services tab. Tab is very important, where you should uh, choose the perfect and most accurate service category you are offering. uh, Google, I think sends send ranking on your service. So booking is another very important. Question and answers, any specific question and answer you wanted to FAQ or interact with your prospects or audience. Ad update being a social media feature you wanted to post something excited, something offer, recent offer, you wanted to attract your customer at event, means you are going to host any event, you can update here. Or simple and very important, Google business profiles ranking factor, to get more and more reviews from your previous clients, the customers or clients who have shopped or interacted with your product or services, and ask them for reviews as early as possible, uh, simply clicking this URL and send them email to write a review for you. So here you can link your social media handles with your business profile. That will be social signaling. Create ad and turn views in your directories. This is also an add direction to your website. You can add a Google map to your website using this. So here you can update your whole, means holidays coming, and you can update that. Add address autocomplete. Add exterior photo, means your whenever Google configure your Google business profile or make it verified, you need to submit your business interior and exterior pictures to verify it, get verified on Google business. Add a map to your website, already covered. Performance report, create an offer. So this is all about Google business profile. Hope this will be helpful. Please drop a message if you get confused or have any message regarding Google business profile.